Today, I will show you something you have never seen before. Just watch me. Cynthia, you get generate and explain a video on how to make money with AI.
Sorry, I cannot create videos. Please make another request.
Oh, wow. Now that is surprising. Even in 2024, AI assistants like Cynthia gave limited capabilities. But don't worry, I got something much more advanced up my sleeve. Found it! Best free AI tools that can generate videos in 2024. Now, I spent 100 hours researching tools for this video, and I found 8 amazing tools that I'll be sharing with you. But before we start, why not hit that like button to cheer me on? And I'll show you a tool that can create whiteboard animations. Have you done that? I'm sure you have. So let's begin. The first tool on our list is Runway ML, which is pretty popular for many reasons. It can generate, animate, and edit images in just a few seconds using the power of artificial intelligence. In fact, the list is endless, but we'll focus on its video creation features today. So let's click on Video here, and it'll show us tools relevant to video production. We'll click on this one, and as you can see, we need to create an account. I already have an account, so I won't need to do it again. So now that you've successfully signed up, you'll be taken to this page, and we'll click on Text to Video. Then we'll enter our prompt, and we'll be good to go. Ideally, you should describe the scenes and motions you want in your video, because Runway can only generate videos without sound. But I want to test it with an irregular prompt and see what we get. As you can see, it created a voiceless video for me. And this is just to say that Runway can only create videos that can be added to other videos. But if you don't have a video, you just need to add a voiceover to the video and it'll be perfect. Runway can only create 4-second videos at a time, but you can extend this by clicking on this button here. And when you scroll down, you'll watch the new video as it generates. You can also adjust the playback speed, view your video in full screen, or delete it if you don't like it. You can sign up with the link in the description for discounts. Well, if you're interested, that is. Our next tool is Designs AI, and it's pretty straightforward, so let's just get right into it, shall we? Now you can get to this page by clicking on the link in the description, and then you can select the exact feature you want to use. Of course, I'll be clicking on Video, but who else has noticed that the color of the website changes once you hover over a new feature? Sadly, it only works on laptops, so if you're using a mobile phone, well, you're not going to be able to see the change of color, but it is still pretty amazing. But I can show you a tool that is even more amazing. It can create free thumbnails for your videos in just a few easy steps, so stick around. In the meantime, let's create a video with Designs AI. We'll click on Video, and we'll be taken to this page where we can give our video a title and upload a script. You can generate one with ChatGPT if you want, but I will not be doing that. If you want to skip this step entirely, you can select Template or create a video with your own media. But I'll be sticking to this video, so I'll enter a custom prompt and move on to the next stage. If you click on this button here, you'll be able to change the color and background of your text. And then, you can pick an end screen message for your video. Let's go back to edit our prompt and make sure that you subscribe to this channel because it really means a lot to me. It really does. So we'll click on this arrow here and it'll take us to the next page where we can select the industry, language, and voiceover for our video. And finally, we'll be taken to the page because it's, where the magic happens. It took about 5 seconds for my video to be generated. So, hey, let's play it. Now look, if you're wondering, I did not provide the video. I only provided a script, and Designs AI created a masterpiece out of it. Now, there is a discount link in the description, so make sure you click on it to claim your discount. Now you can go and explore other features to make your videos unique, but it is now time to show you the tool that can create whiteboard animations. I'm talking about Rawshorts, and before we start, I must warn you, Rawshorts can create high-quality animations, but the website is out of date, so it may take a long time to respond to your commands. So you're going to need a lot of patience. But now the first thing you need to do is enter rawshorts.com into your browser and click on Try for Free to create an account. You'll be taken to this page, and as you can see, it's pretty much a chat between you and a bot. You'll enter your topic here and generate a few video ideas and type yes to generate your script. Then you click on Generate a Video. And this is where you need patience. It may take a while for your video to be generated, and you may get frustrated along the way, so I'd advise that you start another activity. and wait it out. Eventually, the video will be created and you will be taken to this page, where you'll learn how to use the platform through a compulsory tutorial. After you've completed it, you may decide to edit the script or create your video manually by adding images and video. But we'll click on Preview, so Rawshorts can do it for us. Again, yes, it's going to take a while to load, and once it's done, the video will immediately start playing, and you'll see that it has some images and text that were automatically added by Rawshorts. If you want to make changes, just click out of the video's frame and you'll be able to personalize your video. Here you'll see a toggle to add subtitles, but when you turn it on, the keyword toggle goes off because you can only have one of the two. What you choose is totally up to you, but I prefer the keyword to subtitle, so I'll toggle that on. If you scroll down further, you'll be able to add or remove music from your video. You can also click on these buttons to add images and videos. But so what do you think of this tool? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to try out this tool with the link in the description. Now, if you like the idea of magic, this next tool is for you. I'm talking about Canva, of course, which is quite popular amongst graphic designers, but it also has a magic studio that can create images and videos out of thin air. So let's see how it works. But before we dive in, I'd be honored if you gave it how about a little digital high five by clicking that thumbs up button. Thank you. Now to get started, click on the link in the description, and once you do that, you'll automatically be taken to this page, and you'll see this colorful button here that says Magic Studio. And then we'll click on Magic Media. And as you can see, we can generate written content and edit and even generate images. But our target is the text to video option. Here you'll see that it is still in the experimental stage, and that's because it's a new feature on Canva, but is powered by Runway ML. So I don't have a prompt prepared, but here we can see an Inspire Me button. If you click on it, you'll get auto-generated prompts. And if you don't like it, you can clear it here and click on Inspire Me again. So let's do that one more time and click on Generate Video. It does take quite a while, but this is our final video. We'll drag it to our timeline and play. I don't notice any movements. Let's try again. I'll click on Inspire Me and then Generate. While we're waiting for our video, let's delete these two to avoid confusion, and our video is ready. As you can see, it does have some minor movements, so you definitely cannot use it as a standalone video, but you can edit it into any of your videos for aesthetics. Now you can download the video by clicking on this share button and clicking on download, or copy link to share it with your friends, if you have any. Speaking about friends, make sure you share this video with your friends so they can create magic with you. Who can I send it to? And if any of your friends run businesses, this next tool is for them. Lumen 5 is targeted at brands who want to grow their customer base with videos. They just need to sign up for a free account and follow the next steps very carefully. Here, you can choose how you want to create your video. But as you already know, we're going with text, so we'll click on it and enter the necessary details. Now, Lumen needs you to write an outline so that your video is specially tailored to you. And once you've done that, you can click on this button to generate your script. Now, it only takes a few seconds, and then you can generate your video. At the top here, you'll get an estimate of how long the video will be, and you can edit or shorten it further, but we'll be converting this to video directly. Our video has already been generated, but it has been divided into scenes, so we can make any edit we want, and when you're done, click on Preview to see the final result. Now, if you noticed, the video did not have any sound, and you definitely need one for the video, so you can click on this button here to upload your voiceover or music. Now, Lumen 5 is a really great tool, and it's optimized for brands, but it has very basic features that leave a little room for customization. You can use it if you want something basic, but if you want more features, check out our next tool. It's none other than Wave Video. But before I tell you about it, I got a little surprise for you. But you have to stick around to the end of the video to know what it's about. Now, to use Wave Video, you need to sign up. And when you've done that, click on this button to start the video creation process. As you can see, there are so many options that you can choose from, and I'd advise that you try them all out. We'll select this one and enter our title, but we also need to enter a script. But since I have none, I'll enter a custom one. Here we'll select the types of clips that we want in our video. I want something simple and relatable, so I'll select this and set my tone to confident. At this point, we need to select a frame for our video, But before you pick any option, consider the platform that you're creating for. If it's YouTube, you should select horizontal frames. If it's Instagram, square works just fine. But if it's your Facebook story or TikTok, you should select one of the story frames. Now, with that settled, let's create our video. It only takes a few seconds. And if you're using a laptop, you may notice that your video is zoomed out. All you need to do is reload your browser and it will be reset. You can directly publish your video by clicking on this button, but I guess we should watch the video first. Look, I love the fact that music was automatically added because it can easily catch the attention of viewers. But make sure that you pick trendy music that suits your brand's voice. You can make edits here, and when you're done, go ahead and publish the video. But before we move on to the next tool, I want to unravel my surprise. Aside from video, Wave Video can also generate thumbnails for you, in just a few easy steps. You can learn more about it here, but if you want me to make a tutorial video, please let me know in the comments. Moving on, our next tool is FlexClip, and it can create videos at the speed of light. All you need to do is click on this AI button, select text to video, and enter your topic. If you don't know what to write, you can click on this button to generate custom prompts. You can click on it as many times as you want, and each time you'll get a new prompt. Now, when you've entered your topic, select a style for your subtitles and click Generate. At this point, you'll be asked to create an account if you're new to the platform. As soon as your account is created, your video will start generating automatically. It'll be divided into scenes, and you can edit each of them to your satisfaction. When you're done, you can go back to the initial page to edit your prompt or add it to your timeline for further editing. And then you export it out of FlexClip using this black button. Like Lumen 5, FlexClip has very little features, but it is very easy to use, so it gets all the stars from me. Now let's move on. Fliki. Unlike the other tools we've discussed so far, Fliki lets you customize the content of your video in such a way that no one else will be able to replicate it. And when you create an account, you'll be prompted to take a tutorial that will walk you through all of Fliki's features so you know exactly how to use the platform. Now, I've used Fliki a good couple of times, so I'm going to create a new file, give it a name, change the aspect ratio, and click Submit. I'm not changing the other options because they are exactly what I want. Here, you'll need to enter a description for the video and adjust the duration. Fliki can only generate videos between 30 seconds and 15 minutes. But if you're on a free plan like me, the limit is 1 minute, which is pretty cool. Now, you can choose between stock and AI media, but I'd advise that you choose AI media so your video is unique. You can also select a template for your video and choose how you want to generate your video. When you're done, click on Submit to get it. It's automatically divided into scenes for you, but unlike the other tools, you don't need to launch at a preview to see your video. In fact, any changes you make to the scenes will be reflected in your video in real time. You can also add background music if you like, but you don't need to worry about it because it has been added, and a voiceover has been automatically added too for you. You can just download your video and post it on social media or create a new video if you're feeling creative. Now it's time to share your thoughts. What do you think about the quality of this tool in the comments down below? Also, make sure to claim your discount with the link in the description and let your imaginations run wild. Finally, we have InVideo. Trust me, it is even more intuitive than Fliki. All you need to do is enter a topic for your video, select a target audience and the platform you're creating for, and InVideo will automatically create a video for you, and then you can edit it as you want and export it. However, I must mention that it does take quite a while for a video to be generated because InVideo needs to first analyze the topic, generate a script, and then create scenes with stock videos. Unlike Fliki and the other tools we've mentioned, InVideo provides in-depth information about the topic you feed it with. It also adds voiceovers, subtitles, and music, so you won't need to do anything. Let's now watch our video. Now look, you may decide to edit the video or script, and you can easily do it by typing instructions in this chat box or editing it manually by clicking on this button. And if you don't like the video, simply click on Regenerate, and InVideo will create another video from scratch. To download your video, you just need to click here, and hey, that's it. Now look, I'm feeling very generous today, so I've added some discount links in the description. Make sure you check them out. Sadly, this video has come to an end, but man, I enjoyed making it, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. A simple way to let me know if you like it is by subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. You can also drop a topic that you'd like me to discuss in the comments and I will definitely create it for you. Now, if you noticed, a lot of video generators do not add voiceovers to the generated video, and that's why you should watch this video here about the top 3 AI voice generators, because it will up your content creation game by allowing you to mimic your favorite celebrities. Bye-bye for now.